So you've probably seen Gojo's thumbnails lately. They look insane. Super sharp, high detail, cinematic lighting. And yes, they're AI generated. Here's the problem. When we generate thumbnails using AI, the ratio comes out wrong. And when we resize it to 1920 by 1080, the quality drops and small details disappear. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to generate AI thumbnails like Gojo properly. No quality loss. No weird ratio issues. Let's get into it. First, you need to know how to design a basic thumbnail. If you don't, there are plenty of tutorials on YouTube. You can even check my main channel where I posted a tutorial on making thumbnails like Nickovacs. If the resources are still there, it's pretty old. Now here's the real method. Step 1. Create your base thumbnail design. Step 2. Upload that thumbnail to ChatGPT. Step 3. Copy the prompt I've given in the description and paste it. It might take a few seconds, but the result? Crazy. Now don't stop there. Step 4. Take that AI-generated image and upload it to Gemini. Step 5. Select the Pro version. Step 6. Type this. Make this image ratio 1920 by 1080 canvas size. That's it. If you notice any watermark, just add a flare, overlay, or small design element to cover it naturally. And boom, your thumbnail is ready. Now stop overthinking and put your AI to work. If you want more powerful tutorials like this, subscribe. If you want a full breakdown on how to design thumbnails from scratch, comment below. And if you have any other tutorial ideas, let me know. Not sure how this video will perform, but every big move starts small. Thanks for watching.